Hello everyone and welcome back to Digital Machine World. Today we're reviewing the DMG Mori DMU Evo 60, a powerhouse in modern machining. Whether you're in aerospace, automotive, energy, or general machining, this machine has something for everyone. Let's break it down, covering its spindle, axes, control system, technical specifications, and more. By the end, you'll understand why this machine is a game changer in 2025. Spindle. The DMU Evo 60 features a high-speed spindle capable of reaching up to 200 RPM. This level of performance ensures smooth and precise machining, even for complex geometries. The spindle is engineered for durability and is equipped with advanced cooling technology, which minimizes heat buildup and ensures consistent accuracy during prolonged operations. Whether you're cutting aluminum, titanium, or steel, this spindle delivers exceptional results. Turning. With a turning diameter capacity of 600 millimeters, the DMU Evo 60 can handle large and intricate components. This makes it especially useful for industries like aerospace and automotive, where the size of the parts often requires robust capabilities. The wide turning diameter also allows for more versatility when handling custom or large-scale projects. The DMU Evo 60 comes with a 5AXI simultaneous machining capability, which is perfect for producing highly complex parts. Its dynamic and precise movement across all axes ensures that even the most intricate designs can be executed flawlessly. The additional flexibility offered by these axes reduces the need for multiple setups, saving both time and resources. Control system. The machine is powered by DMG Mori's latest Selos control system, an intuitive platform that simplifies machine operation. Selos integrates seamlessly with CAD/CAM software, making programming and monitoring incredibly efficient. The interface is user-friendly, and its touchscreen display ensures that operators can quickly access and adjust key parameters, enhancing productivity. Programming the DMU Evo 60 is straightforward, thanks to its compatibility with industry-standard software like Siemens NX and Mastercam. Additionally, its built-in smart programming features, such as automatic toolpath optimization, make it easy to achieve superior results, whether you're a seasoned machinist or new to CNC automation. One of the standout features of the DMU Evo 60 is its automation capabilities. It supports advanced robotic integration for material handling, tool changing, and even part inspection. This allows manufacturers to operate the machine with minimal human intervention, increasing efficiency and reducing downtime. Automation also ensures consistency in production, making it ideal for high-volume operations. Technical specifications. Machine dimensions. The compact footprint of the DMU Evo 60 makes it suitable for workshops of all sizes, measuring approximately 2,000, 200 mx 2,000, 800 mx 2,000, 500 mx. Machine weight. At around 6,000 kg, this machine is built for stability and precision. Its weight provides the rigidity necessary for high-speed and high-precision machining. Spindle motor. The powerful spindle motor delivers up to 35 kW, ensuring robust cutting performance even with hard materials. Rapid traverse. The machine boasts rapid traverse speeds of up to 50 m/min, enabling faster cycle times and greater productivity. Applications. Aerospace. The DMU Evo 60 excels in machining lightweight yet durable components like turbine blades and structural parts. Its 5-axis capability ensures precision for the intricate geometries common in aerospace design. Automotive. Whether it's engine blocks, gearboxes, or custom parts, this machine provides the speed and accuracy needed for high-performance automotive components. Energy. The DMU Evo 60 is well suited for manufacturing components used in energy applications, such as wind turbine parts, pipeline fittings, and more. General machining. For small to medium-sized manufacturers, the DMU Evo 60 offers the flexibility to handle diverse projects, from prototyping to batch production. Pricing. The DMU Evo 60 is an investment in quality and efficiency. In 2025, the machine's base price starts at $350,000, but the cost can go higher depending on optional features like advanced automation packages or custom spindle configurations. While the upfront cost is significant, its reliability and productivity make it a cost-effective solution in the long run. And there you have it. The DMG Mori DMU Evo 60 is a true innovation in CNC machining. With its advanced spindle, 5-axis capability, robust control system, and automation options, this machine is designed to meet the demands of modern manufacturing. Whether you're in aerospace, automotive, energy, or general machining, it delivers the precision and performance you need. If you enjoyed this review or have any questions about the DMU Evo 60, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digital Machine World for more reviews, tips, and insights on the latest in machining technology. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.